The available power sliding center console moves rearward for additional storage options and easier access to rear console features. Start the vehicle and then press and hold the up arrow on the front overhead console to move the center console up to 10 inches rearward. You can release the up arrow at any point along the path to stop the center console. Pull the lower handle to access the lower storage compartment to store or retrieve smaller items. Push forward on the center console armrest to move it to your desired position. In this position, rear passengers also gain easier access to climate controls and cup holders. Press and hold the down arrow on the front overhead console to return the center console to the forward position. Pull the upper handle to access the main bin. Enable valet mode and the center console power sliding function will disable, preventing access to the lower tray. For more information, refer to the owner's manual.